the new for 2026 roller coaster at Jenkinson's Boardwalk in New Jersey. This is one of those classic Galaxy type coasters, so an absolute classic on a boardwalk park, and yeah, it's replaced the old tidal wave in the back corner of the park. A bit bigger ride, and seems quite popular so far. This is a 2-car model, so this is me sitting in the back, so hopefully get a little airtime on the 2 big drops to start, so here we go. Slow turn, even a nice view overall looking into the park. And now the action's about to begin. Yep, decent little pop of airtime there. These rides have such tight clearances, so you always need to be careful putting your hands up on these. As Patriot's run, brakes are a little sharp, but otherwise the ride's solid. I do find the operators to push the trains to the station manually. It's a quirk you wouldn't see on a lot of bigger coasters. But yeah, that's Patriot's run. If you're looking for extra credit on the New Jersey Boardwalk, it's here at Jenkins is waiting for you.